Okay, part two is the description and the process of what I do. So, I took off the plastic from the young coconut. I got the blade, okay? And I add something is called passion fruit. So I'll add a little square of this or rectangle. Okay, take a little slice off of it, put it in the blender, set it aside. I'll peel those. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of this is called milk macadamia, mixture of macadamia nuts and I don't know what else is in there, but it's all good for you. And then I sometimes also will add some collagen for the joints. And now for the part that's perhaps the hardest part for most people because they don't have a skill. So you want to take the knife and you want to put it in an angle. So here's a coconut. This would be the top end, right? Well, it looks like the top, but it's really the side that you don't want. And you want to cut in an angle, not straight down and not in across the fibers, because the fibers are running this way. Okay, so we want to cut not this way, but in an angle. See what I mean? That's the hard shell of the coconut. So a smooth knife making a sawtooth motion peels it off really easy. Okay? Now why this is important to know which side to cut it, you're gonna find out in just a moment when I reveal to you the big secret. So as you can see, I'm peeling it like you would peel an orange or anything else. You're just kind of scraping it off. All right. So you have one, two, and three. And always there's gonna be a soft one that you could actually push with your finger, and we call these the eyes of the coconut. At least that's what we call it in Spanish. I have no idea what to call it in English. So it's an eye. Now I'm peeling along the side. It'll make more sense in just a moment when I decide to open that coconut. Here we go. I'll show you once again. Okay, so now I got this side peeled and making a band around here and the top. So you take the top one, the soft eye, and you just poke it. There it is. Now, I realize that most of you are not going to have the same level of skill that I have. Water's, supposed to be coming out. There it is. You can see it. So what I do, and when you develop the skill, you can do this too. Basically, I'm going to crack the side of it to allow more air to flow. And you can see how and all the coconut water comes out. Okay? So now I'll finish doing the crack. When you don't have the skill, you patiently wait for the water to come out, but then you're basically going to crease the whole side. And you strike it with one motion, one pressure, and it'll eventually yield. Then you open it. There it is, done. And now we peel the inside. Get yourself a nice rounded spoon. This happens to be a rice scoop, and I'm going to put pressure in here and just work my way around it. Voila, done. That goes in there. Job is done. I will peel all three. I mean all three coconuts the same way. It's actually quite effortless once you get the swing of it. The plastic spoon works absolutely great. And then, you know, bananas, you just peel them, throw them in there, and everything's good. You can see how easy that's done. Okay, so I'll cover the rest of the recipe in just a moment. So I'm going to just break it down in 3 videos. So this was the processing part, and now comes the blending part. See you in the next video.